it's a stage now, né? But he's gonna get to the level where he grows up, and then I don't know. Look, depending on where in life he is, I can understand. Like, okay, I mean, we just wanted to know why people do certain things, and people will probably move from one level to the next level. I believe maybe in few years' time, when his goals and has changed, he might do something different.
Yeah.
But we must acknowledge that there is those kind of people as well. But also, yeah, we're not getting a lot of. I hope you've got a lot of men's view on these kind of things, because most of these things, when you're talking about polygamy and cheating, what seems to be apparent out there is that it's men who are doing it more. But I also say, on the other side, is that women cheat better, that we don't get to find out. Till now we eat like cooking oil outside somewhere there, and then we come back with our mouth, it's oily. Now you guys, you put makeup on top of this thing,
clean up well.
You clean it properly, you hide it, and we think we know better.
Yeah.
And then we don't know. But let's take another one. Precious, do you want to read something?
Yes, we have a comment here, a comment question here from this person. Thank you for not remaining anonymous. The name is Matari. Matari says, answer 1. I believe and always have believed in that cheating is a choice. You cheat because you want to cheat. One cheats usually because they don't get what they expected to get from their partner, be it emotionally or physically or psychologically. I have cheated before because all my partners at the time could talk about was himself. I mean, yeah, this is
self-centered man.
Yes.
Matari is female, eh?
I'm not sure about the name.
Wow.
And then
Like
it goes on and saying that, I mean, I'm all for knowing more about my partner, but knowing when to change the subject and takes hints when I want to listen is tiring. And the second one, she said, she, I'm not sure about the name, you guys. So the second one says...
No, let's not take the second one. Let's engage on that one. Is that the
still
second question?
Yes,
Oh, that's
it's
fine.
still from the same person. And continues on saying that I prefer a monogamous relationship because...
She's a jealous person.
Let's hear. Well, I don't like sharing what I've already declared mine. Yes, when a girl boy, I agree. That's why I'm not in a relationship now. Okay, you guys, you heard that. So what's your view on that, Lundi? What do you think about this?
Jeez. Can someone go first? I'm trying to put my words together.
So she's saying she prefers to be in a monogamous
relationship.
She has cheated before
Understandably
because the guy
so.
was so much into
Self-centered,
himself,
yes.
talking about himself.
Egotistical.
Yeah.
And narcissistic.
But did she, like, this is the thing, did she raise these kind of things as well? Let's take it she raised it. Let's take it that she raised it and it continued. But I mean, I suppose that guy didn't want to listen. But this is what I'll say about it. Instead of cheating, right? Why don't you get out? And then find your match out there. Because you can see this thing is not working. Whatever your values are, why don't you? Because I don't think cheating helps it. Because if you go and cheat, and they find out, it's just going to mess it up, all of it. And also your name as well. It's, I think it's best, for me, I just think it's best to get out and then go and, for whatever reasons, what is this person, what was she hoping for when she decided to cheat? Did she think if she cheats, this guy is going to change? I don't know, guys.
Exactly. So also, I often wonder, if you cheat, have you put thought towards what you're doing, first of all? Second to that, are you okay? Are you going to be okay with the consequences of your cheating?
Most of us are.
Are you going to sleep well at night? Are you going to
even think of it?
That's the thing, like, it's a lot of work, first of all. Like, having to cheat is a whole lot of work, because you tell a lie that you have to cover with another lie, another lie. By the time you're on line number 7, you probably don't remember line
the
number
first
3.
line.
Not even the first line. Line number 3 you don't even remember, It's just a lot of work which is unnecessary
I
for me. I think you're right. Manga it doesn't work for you. Poor my
Get out.
Yes, but if you can't stand the heat in the kitchen, leave the
Get the
kitchen.
If you
hell
can stand there eating the furnace, leave.
Get the hell out.
Yes.
So I've got a couple of ladies here, short, straight to the point.
Yes.
Okay.
The first one, they all remained 1, 2, 3, 4. They remained anonymous. People cheat because they make a conscious decision to cheat. There's no theory and or out of the ordinary explanation. It's simply a choice. The other one says polygamy is for people with money. The rest must just stick to one woman. And the other one says the more money there is, the easier it is to manage your women and secure the respect. Manje awuna mali ubizuletha abafazi like I mean really. And then the
So
last
some
one.
select type of.
Yeah.
But he's not religious. But we engaged in this last week to say before
That,
he
I
gets the
think
next wife.
that was on the polygamy point. So
Yeah.
I mean, if there is money and you can manage
Afford
all of them and
it.
afford all of them and feel security
But,
for all these
but
women,
where does it start, Loli? Where does it start? Because I'm thinking before he goes to marry the second one, he must
has
court
to
her
cheat
first.
Yes.
Does he go and tell?
That's
the
what I
first
wanted
wife,
to ask you actually.
Does he go and tell the first wife and say, when I saw somebody before he can even
That's what I
engage?
wanted to ask you.
Because then that's
Actually, we did ask him that week, and he ran away from the question.
Most of the
Okay.
times that doesn't happen. So this person goes and have
An affair.
and then they bring it in to say, you know, I am thinking that defeats the purpose. So now you're trying to sugarcoat the cheating, and you wanna make it now
look
public.
nicer,
Maybe when you
yes.
want your wife to actually come
So
and accept it,
The
which
best way to go about it if you want to get into a polygamous marriage is, okay, I've been seeing her and I would like to approach her type of thing, but I can't just do it. Let me go to my wife and be like, look,
what do you think?
H-man, I think I'm attracted.
And then
there.
your wife
Can I
will say-
pursue?
On the same hand, maybe they're doubting, like, okay, what if I tell my wife first before I pursue the lady, only to find out down the line the lady is not for me. So they test the waters first before they tell
But
you.
that's the other part about this is that, okay, I'll talk about back then what they used to do. But the other part is that I believe if you strongly feel you want to be in a polygamous relationship, and I know things can change later, before you even get to be married,
Yes.
sit with whoever to be the wife
I agree.
and say to her, you know what, this is who I am. How do you feel about the fact that I want to be married to more than one people? So that, you get a heart attack. Anyway, so that when that time comes, you are
You
free to
are
then
prepared.
say, wifey, we're now wifey number one. I saw this girl and I will want her to be part of this. And that's what I was saying. Back then what they used to do is that their first wife will be the one who approaches that lady, not you, the husband. To say, well, my husband wants to bring you into the family. What do you think? I need to get to know you. When I was the first wife, you get to know her. Because most likely she's going to be interacting with you quite a lot. And most men, I think, when in a polygamous relationship, are too busy to even be interacting heart to heart with their wives. Then they will be working, they will be bringing the money home.
Bacon home.
They only probably meet during the day.
So what you're saying is like back then they used to practice polyamory.
Not necessarily.
That's what they're saying.
No.
Polygamy, because they're saying the wife would go, so it becomes a throw.
No, but remember,
No,
it's one man.
But remember,
It's one man.
also remember with polyamory, there should be consent on both parties.
Okay.
If the other party
Yes.
did not consent to it, it's not polyamory.
Polyamorous.
You are just cheating.
It's as pure as that.
As pure as that. We have to consent as a couple and agree that we are bringing this third person into our marriage or relationship. Then that is polyamorous. But if the guy goes and have a woman outside and the female doesn't know, that's not it.
Yes.
That's just plain cheating.
I think I want to go back to something that you mentioned. I feel it's actually very important.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, when men are transparent and say, this is the kind of person that I am, and if you marry me, you must be aware that I have other intentions in future of marrying another woman.
Which I
You know,
think it's a
which-
fair conversation
Which I
to
really
have.
think it is, and most men, most women find themselves in that situation where this just gets dumped into you.
Mhm.
You know, you're like a queen of the castle, and all of a sudden, when you have never thought or imagined, nobody has ever mentioned it to you, and then one day,
It just
after
feels
10
bad.
years, happily married, it gets dumped into you. Like, it's really, it's not right. What is the woman supposed
Can
to feel or do?
can I, again, this is something I do not condone, but I understand. 10 years down the line, we've been happily married, and suddenly you feel the need as a husband in this marriage that you want to bring a third party. We spoke about being open-minded. We spoke about evolving as human beings. Maybe the person I was 10 years ago is not the person I am now, and I'm probably thinking, this might work for me. I know it's unfair to you that I'm dumping it on you now, but when we started, I didn't even
Yeah,
think
that
it was
idea.
not
That's true.
even a fair.
Mm.
That's